How to collect fees from single student. Today we will discuss about how to collect fee from a single student in ZamaSchool software. First of all, go to the fee module, then click on a single student fee. To collect fee from a student, you can search the student by his enrollment number, name, father's name, registration number, or if you have no knowledge about these details, you can simply select him from the class. Let's say we want to collect fee from the student with enrollment number like for example 322. Then to collect fee from the current student, click on collect fee. The fee applied on a student will appear like 2500. If the student submit total fee, you will add total fee, or let's say you collect 2000 from the student and add remaining 500 in the adjustment field to adjust. The remaining fee will be 0. If you did not adjust the remains, it will appear in the remainings and will be added to the next month fee as arrear. Then click on collect fee and the fee will be collected from the current student. Hope after this video you can easily collect fee from a single student in ZamaSchool software. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need any help, call us on our registered number in the description.